G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be talking about underbody care for your car. Now I love my four-wheel driving. I love the beach, I love mudding, I love rock climbing, hill climbing and that sort of stuff, and that's perfectly fine. But obviously one thing that people need to be mindful of is when they're going out is cleaning their car. Now today I'm going to go through with you and I'm going to show you a couple of things. So I've got a couple of items here that I bought myself from Salt Shift. So one of them is an underbody sprayer and obviously the actual mud and salt exterminating wash that they've got. And now we're just going to go through and see, can a Karcher K2 run the Salt Shift underbody washer perfectly fine, and we're going to see how it works and what it looks like when we actually flush out the chassis rails. So stay tuned, let's get this started and let's show you exactly what we've got. So as I said, we've got the Salt Shift Underbody washer here. So this is it here. It is connected up to my Karcher K2 here. So the Karcher K2 is roughly, I think, rated about 1700 psi for water flow. This requires, I think, minimum 1500, so we're going to see what it actually is like, and it doesn't. Now, one thing I actually do have as well, and that's the Salt Shift chassis flusher kit. Now, it comes with this little gadget right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that in conjunction with the pressure washer and the underbody wash. And what I also have is the, where are we here? The Salt Shift off-road wash. So basically it's designed to eliminate mud, sand, salt, all that sort of stuff from the actual car and underbody. So to give you an idea, last time you would have seen me was out at Mount Me. So I haven't actually really done too much in washing the car at the moment. I've given it a quick run over with that and some foaming soap just to give it a go, but basically I have never used this before. So we're going to see what actually comes out from underneath the car, and you're coming along for the ride, so let's get to it. So that's just the front of it, so that's actually pretty bloody good. Let's go for the side and see how we go. Does go through the wash pretty quick. Actually, I did go through the did put it on the highest soap setting on the actual thing itself, so I guess that was to be expected. So let's open her up. It's quite simple here. It's a simple little process. It's just as easy as, let's turn that back to water. That's what that will do. Just close it off. It's gonna add that to my driveway. Simple, just grab some of this. In we go, fill her up, and that's it. Now I might dial the soap back a bit on this next run. Easy enough just to slot back in. Slot back in like so. Now I'm going to dial the soap back a bit, see if we can make it last. Dial the soap back a bit, see if we can make it last a little bit longer. Okay, right, let's try. Let's go down this side now. It's quite simple now. All you got to do after that, once it's on, is just leave it for about 60 seconds, and then easy enough, you can leave this going, flick the whole thing back to water, bam, so it's back on water there, flick it all the way that way for soap, flick all that way to pure water. Once you do that, it's simple as just going back over the car again, and so it's great. It's the old Karcher K2. It does a great job with the Salt Shift Underbody Washer. If you're the kind of person like me who just wants a quick wash underneath your car, you've got a Karcher sitting at home, or something that at least is well over 1500 psi for water pressure, got there, whether it's petrol, electric, you name it. Grab yourself a underbody washer. Yes, you can pick them up on Amazon. I just tried this one out because obviously I've seen a few people using it, seen a few YouTubers using it. I thought, let's just give it a shot. And well, verdict, pretty good. And if you don't, I'll leave a link to their website there below. Just jump on, grab yourself one, get it, use it, keep the underbody of your four-wheel drive salt free, and cool. So till the next video, everyone, thank you very much for watching. I will catch you all on the next four-wheel driving video, or off-road video, or car video, whatever you want to name it. That's what we're here to do. We're here to entertain you, bring you car videos, bring you four-wheel driving, bring you tool reviews on working on your car. So thank you very much for watching. If there's a lot of thing you like, please like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll talk to you all on the next video. The other added advantage of the underbody wash is when you're done and when you want to clean up the driveway, it's as simple as turning it around and that's what I call a multi-purpose tool.